Hey everybody, Barry from Bowling Creative Media here, and today this video is about how I upload to YouTube for our clients and the best case uses and practices for your assets and your media and getting your spotlights and your highlights and your videos out there. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that you have your Google account info and password. You'll use the same account for YouTube as you do with Google because Google owns YouTube. So make sure you know your Google account and password. If you're using a separate one from your personal one, then you're going to want to make a business one for your realtor page or what you're doing. And once you've got that logged in, you're going to set your profile picture, you're going to set your name, you're going to set your channel description, and you're going to set your tags. So I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. All right, so now we're in the screen recording, and you can see I'm at my YouTube channel. And the first thing we want to do is upload a display picture. Now remember, you need to be logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the initial for your business name or something up here in the corner. You can click that, or you can just click right over top of Edit Profile Picture, and it's going to take you to a page where you can get into channel customization. Here you can change your photo, you can put up a banner image, you can put a little video watermark that will appear down in the right hand corner of all your videos, and that's where you can put also your basic info. You'll see right here my channel name and description. Welcome to Bowling Creative Media's YouTube. Here you'll find examples of our work we've created for our clients and ourselves. Thanks for stopping by, and be sure to subscribe. Our channel URL is here, and then any links that we want to put to send people out, like to our website, Instagram, Facebook, Vimeo, wherever you want to send them, you put your links there. You can also have your email listed. And then for layout, you can kind of choose adding sections. So like you can make a highlight section or properties that you've sold or things like that. But for now, we just want to focus on getting your profile picture up. And if you want to, you can put a banner image up. This is a more complicated thing, and I'm not going to get into that. With your channel details complete, we're ready to upload. And what you're going to do is click the camera with the plus inside. So let's go back to YouTube. Let's go to the main page. So we're back to YouTube, and we want to upload our video. So the first thing we're going to do is look around for that camera with the plus icon at the top. It says create. You're going to click it and then hit upload video. Be sure to know where you saved your video and navigate to that location for your video and your thumbnail. We typically give two video files. One is 4K, and that's for YouTube, other video sites like Vimeo, and your website. The other video file we give is a 1080 file, which is for Facebook, and we're going to have another video on what to do with that, and you'll see that in a minute. So select your file. And this file is on the desktop. Today we're uploading RE/MAX agent Shelly Stoddard's video in 4K. First, we want to put in the title. And so right here you see Shelly Stoddard Agent Spotlight 4K. This is the generic file name of the video. You'll want to put something that's a little bit more compelling. Meeting RE/MAX 8 agent Shelly Stoddard, a realtor that goes beyond. And then down here in the description, you're going to want to talk about what the video is about. So today we meet Shelly Stoddard, who's a passionate realtor in Virginia's New River Valley. You want to make your description something that is casual but also searchable, because the way Google and YouTube work, you're going to want to put your name, what it is you do, and location tags that are relevant to you, your business, and your region in that description. And there's another spot for tags, but it also counts to be in the description as well. Other things you want to put in your description are hashtags. I know we've talked about tags, but hashtags appear differently, and I'll show you in just a moment. So hashtag Shelly Stoddard, hashtag RE/MAX 8. And we're just going to keep it at that. All right, so we did hashtag Shelly Stoddard and hashtag RE/MAX 8, and those are going to show up underneath the video when people watch it on YouTube, and you'll see that here in a minute. Once you've got your description done and you've got your hashtags entered into the description, you're going to want to upload your thumbnail. So click Upload Thumbnail, navigate to where it's saved. Everybody's been supplied thumbnails, and click it. Now you can see your thumbnail is there. If you have a playlist, you can add your video to the playlist, but currently you probably won't. You're going to click no, it's not made for kids, because if you click it's made for kids, it's not going to be shown to the audience you want it to be shown to. You can click show more, and it's going to give you a section for tags. Now this is what I was just talking about with tags. They're slightly different than hashtags, but still the same thing. These are keywords that's going to point the internet and search bases to your video. So we're going to put Remax 8 tab, Shelly Stoddard, enter. Then Shelly Stoddard Remax 8, enter. If you see at the bottom here, you can have up to 500 characters. Enter a comma after each tag. Remax 8 Blacksburg, VA. There you go. Once you've got your amount of tags that you like, keep coming through. You can put a recording date if you want to, but you don't have to worry about that. Video location, you can put Blacksburg, Virginia if you want to, because that's where the headquarters is at, or you can leave it blank, but I'm going to show you what happens if you put a location in there. And allow embedding, this is going to allow you to publish to a website, publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. This is going to, if you have subscribers, let them know that the video has been published. And other things like comments and ratings. You can allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. That way nobody's saying anything bad. And we're going to hit next. After that, it's going to take us to a screen where we can add subtitles. YouTube will generate its own subtitles. Sometimes they're not always accurate, but it will. And you can add an end screen. An end screen, it would be where you can reference or link to another video. You can do that if you have more videos and you want to send them to another video after this one's done. That's what you can do. Then you can add cards. Cards are the things that you see that pop up in the video when you're watching, and they're like, click the link above. That's what that is. So checks, it's checking the video for any copyright issues, checking if your video contains any copyrighted content. I don't know why it's saying it's taking 10 minutes to check it. It might be checking the music, doing copyright checks to see that the music and everything else that's used passes. And once it does, you can hit next, or you can go ahead and hit next. And from here, you get to choose your visibility. You can publish it immediately if you just click public. You can leave it unlisted, and then only people with the video link can watch the video, or you can leave it private and then only you can share it privately. But you're going to leave it as public, or you can schedule it. So if you wanted it to premiere, like say tomorrow at 7 a.m., you can choose schedule tomorrow at 7 a.m. And that's what I'm going to do for this video, because we don't want to publish it a second time. It's already been published once. And as you can see, we're done. The video is set to be public on July 12th at 7 a.m. The thumbnail's here, the title's there. And if you click the video link, it will take you to your video and you can watch it back and check it out. Here is that location. And there are the hashtags that we talked about in the description. So you can see the benefits of putting the location. If you click Blacksburg, that's going to bring up all the other videos on YouTube that people have tagged with Blacksburg. So it's a benefit to make yourself be seen. And then if you click your hashtag, it's going to show you other things that rank for that. So let's see, is there any other hashtags for Remax 8? Yep, we've got some. Remax 8, Remax 8, Remax Commercial 8, so probably not the same one, but still you see the point. If you use your location tags and your hashtags, they will be able to draw more people in as sources from the internet. So let's see if we've got everything on this one. So what is important here? Well, here are the key takeaways from what we just went through. The thumbnail, the title, the description, the tags, all combined with proper channel descriptions will place your video in Google and YouTube's search ranking and make it easier for people to find you on the internet. As I've mentioned, the more of these things that you have dialed in to who you are and what you're doing, the more citations and sources that people have access to find you on the internet and be pointed to your video. The more sources you have on the internet that cite your brand and presence, the better of an ecosystem you'll create to build the circular motion to keep people finding you and coming back. Another added tip I have here is be consistent. If you're posting on multiple platforms, you'll want to have keywords, phrases, and tags associated with your business be the same. So if you're Shelly Started Remax 8 on YouTube, then you want to be Shelly Started Remax 8 on Facebook as well. So try to remember about your brand and keep things symmetrical and in a nice bubble. Example, if you use the phrase NRV Realtor, which many people do, you'll want to ensure that you use that phrase across all accounts to make your profile and brand stand taller than the others who are using the same phrase. Repetition is key. Own your keywords and phrases. Define the keywords and phrases that suit your brand and your needs, and be sure to use them when you're posting your videos here and on Facebook and Instagram. Like I said, there are 2 versions of every video, so now we're going to talk about the version for Facebook that I cut for everybody. So you can either click the card right here that should take you to the Facebook video, or it should be recommended in the next video somewhere along here. So we'll see you there. Thanks.